Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Installing PyTorch and TensorBoard with pip. PyTorch is a popular open-source deep learning library, and TensorBoard is a visualization tool that comes with TensorFlow, but it can also be used with PyTorch. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing PyTorch and TensorBoard using the pip package manager. Before you begin, make sure you have Python and pip installed on your system. You can download Python from python.org, and pip is usually included with Python installations. While not strictly necessary, it's a good practice to create a virtual environment to isolate your project dependencies. To create a virtual environment, open a terminal and run. Activate the virtual environment. On Windows. On macOS/Linux. PyTorch can be installed via pip with a simple command. Choose the appropriate command based on your system and requirements. For the CPU version. For the GPU version, requires a compatible GPU and CUDA installation. TensorBoard is included in the TensorFlow package, so you can install it with. However, if you only need TensorBoard without the entire TensorFlow library, you can install it separately. To verify that PyTorch and TensorBoard are installed correctly, open a Python interpreter and execute the following commands. Ensure that there are no errors, and the versions are printed without any issues. You've successfully installed PyTorch and TensorBoard using pip. Now you're ready to start building and training deep learning models with PyTorch, while also taking advantage of TensorBoard for visualization and monitoring. Remember to activate your virtual environment whenever you work on this project to keep dependencies isolated. Happy coding! ChatGPT